going on, guys? Alright, so it's time to prepare my motorcycle for next ride. I like Michigan Circle trip, so we're gonna do Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Wisconsin.
I can't get diamonds so pearls, and I don't wanna take you traveling the world, but I can love you. Yeah.
What is this? I got a two-break on. Let's hook it up. Alright, so just need to hook it up a couple wires. Like pretty much antenna, speakers, and a couple plugs over here for our lights and for a 12-volt charger. Pretty much it. So it takes like 5 minutes to do that. Now we got the liner. Let's get the charger. So this will have two outlets to charge the phone or camera batteries. I got some clothes, some extra shoes. Got my rain gear. My drone, that's gonna be pretty useful. Got the charger for GoPro batteries. Yep, sure works. So this way I don't have to charge the batteries in a hotel. Alright, so it looks like I got pretty much everything. So I got my clothes in a bag. A backpack, couple t-shirts, extra pants. Let's see what we got over here. Because I don't want to take too much stuff. It's only a 2-day trip. Got hat, face mask, extra glasses. Alright, so everything's pretty much packed. Got my everyday stuff over here, like hat, scarf, sunglasses. Clothes, drone, got some extra space over here or something, and these are like a rain suit, shoes, stuff like that, extra gloves, stuff that I'm not gonna use that much, but just in case. And that's about it. Should get a good night's sleep tonight, and tomorrow morning 6 a.m. we are meeting up with the guys, and we're gonna go straight to Wisconsin, North Michigan, around the lake, back to Indiana, and back to Illinois. See you there.
Golden trinkets, mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. She's gonna love you.